Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you a yearly forecast for Aquarius 2016. The coming year 2016, Aquarius yearly forecast for all of you. Education and learning for Aquarius for the coming year 2016. Aquarius education in the coming year 2016. You will have a good education this coming year. You're able to make technical advances through your studies. You're greatly influenced by your teacher, by masters. You'll be interested in a study of, may I say that, science, something to do with legality, something to do with, may I say that, politics. You'll be quite interested in a study of law, designing, commerce, management, economics. Higher education can offer you unique base, but you have to be very, very sure. Your will, your drive, your discipline should be there. Attempt to acquire proper education can be unique for you in this coming year, can be the base of your future career. Gathering knowledge is fine art for you. You have a regal knowledge of certain field like literary or scientific achievements, and this coming year you'll have a deep knowledge in area of structures. You have a sense of the broader issues when it comes to business and commerce. It is likely that you will be knowledgeable about a language or technical language. You're working at overcoming the domination of five senses and you'll be successful. You will be drawn to some area which can be foreign to most people, but you will learn how to get ahead using strategy and some sort of a technique. This coming year can be unique year. If you're studying law, economics, finance and accountancy, or software design, this year can be the unique year for you. But at the same time, be focused, be driven. This year can be unique year if you're studying in a school of architect, the finest year. Thanks for watching my yearly horoscope. If you're new to my channel, then please do become a subscriber for more contents like weekly, monthly horoscope, the task, precaution, chantings. If you'd like to know more about your yearly horoscope, like your romantic life, your love life, your marriage, your relationship, your career, your financial backing, your future prospect, your health, your education, and many more contents, then please visit my website. The link is in this video description below. I'll be back with a lot more contents about yourself. Look after yourself and take care. Bye-bye.